welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the new Sephora Play box. I just received my September box. It did come kind of late than usual, but first I'm going to go through last month's box, tell you what I used, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we'll open the new one. Last month's box was in this beautiful green bag, and it was actually a very good month. I was pretty excited about everything, and probably half of the items worked. One item that I do not have down here is the Alterna hair care. I'll show a picture here. I actually haven't got a chance to use it, so it's still upstairs in my bathroom. So that, unfortunately, I don't have an opinion on yet. I know I was excited to try it since I realized that it was something that I could use, but I just haven't had a chance to use it. So I'm not gonna talk about that one today, but I'm gonna talk about all the rest. The next product that I got in that box last month was the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinol Serum. I did go ahead and use this probably 2 or 3 times, but like I said in that video, I've used this before, and you can't tell anything from it. You just don't have enough of a sample to see any difference. So I don't know, it didn't make my face break out in a rash, but I don't see any difference using it, being that this takes, I just find that retinoid or retinol, either or, usually take for me 2 to 3 months of consistent use for me to know if it works or not. And you're just not gonna get that much in this bottle. So unfortunately, I'm still not at the point where I would purchase this because I don't know if it would work. So there is that. The other product that was kind of not good is the Bobbi Brown vitamin rich primer base. So it came in the little jar, and it's kind of, I don't want to say it's silicone. What is it? It's definitely like a lotion or a face cream. It feels really, really nice. I found that this just did not work very well under makeup for me. It kind of pilled up a little bit, and I just didn't like the way my skin looked that day. I only used it once because it just left a really bad taste in my mouth. So I haven't used it. I do like the smell. I can smell it right now. I think what I might do with this is use it upstairs at night as a cream for my face. I hope that would be okay. I don't see why not. Let me know if you think I shouldn't do that, but that's what I think I'm gonna do with it. So not really a bad product, but I don't like it for what its purpose is, I guess. So there is that. The last 3 products I actually do like. The one that's the most boring, or I should actually put this on. So I just went to my son's football game. It's a Saturday, so I take pictures of his game, and I have like no makeup on, or very little, and I went out in the windy sun, so I look windblown. But I received the Buxom Hot Toddy. Isn't that made for like if you have a cold? I think it has alcohol in it. Anyways, Hot Toddy Lip Gloss or Lip Plumping Cream Gloss. I love it. I would buy this. I don't know if I would buy this color in full size, not for any reason. I just like to try different colors, but I do like this formula. I can feel it already kind of tingling on my lips, which doesn't bother me. I know that can bother some people. I like it, highly recommend those. They work perfect. The next product is actually completely empty, so I might put this in my empties, I might not, since I'm talking about it now. We'll have to see what I decide to do. But this is the Ren Clean Skincare Lotion. I use this in the day, and I loved it. I thought it was so good. It is, I mean, it says day cream, so that's when I used it. I used every little ounce of this. But I want to say when I looked up how much it cost, it was kind of expensive, and so I was like, oh. So I didn't go ahead and purchase it yet, but this is definitely something that I think I want to get. I think I might order it now. I might wait. Well, I might wait for the Sephora sale in November. Hopefully we get that. But right now, I don't know, I really miss it. And I feel like my skin looks kind of drier without it. So I don't know. Loved it, highly recommend you should at least try it. see if it works for you. It was so nice under makeup. And then the last product I also loved, and it is by Algenist. It's the Sleeping Collagen Cream. So this is actually almost empty as well. Let's see if it will, as you can see the jars, I mean there's like a little bit left. I tried to stop using it so I could show you what the consistency was like, because I want to say this had a cap over it. Maybe I didn't open it, or maybe I can't remember if I did or not. Feels so nice at night. I love this. I would recommend that trying it again, seeing if it works for your skin. I think I might buy this full size as well, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be fairly expensive. I haven't looked, probably because I haven't ran out of it, so I just haven't, you know, taken the time to go look on Sephora. But I think I would buy the Ren one before this one, only because I'm in need of a day moisturizer and I have a lot of nighttime creams, so I'm not necessarily in the market for one at this moment, but definitely would consider purchasing this in the near future because it was very, very good. So that was my August Sephora box. Great month. I feel like I got some great products that I am definitely not mad about, so that's always good. So let's get to opening up the new Sephora box for September. The color this month is blue. As you can see, this one was green. So again, what do you guys use these for? Because I just don't know still. I'll open up my little pamphlet. So this month we got 6 products, but it is counting the perfume. We did not get a perfume sample last month, which I actually missed. But now that I see that it counts as one of the 6, I don't know, maybe I would prefer not to get it, but I do like getting perfume samples. Let's just start with that. This is by YSL. It's called Libre. Not Libra, Libre. I'm a Libra, so I think I would have liked it more if it had been Libra, but I'm not gonna open this, or should I? What does it say? An enticing scent for when you're in an independent mood, which I don't know what that means. Ooh, it smells good. I mean, it smells nothing different or unique, so that's interesting or whatever, but it does say it has orange blossom flower, a white flower, a lavender, kind of masculine and bold. Yeah, I could see it being kind of masculine. I mean, not totally like a man smell, but I can see why they say that. I don't know. I will definitely use this. I like getting these. I keep a bunch of these in my purse. I travel with these. I keep some on my bed in case I want to smell nice. I don't know, but I love them. I know most people do not, but I do. And it says it's new, so I'm assuming it means new at Sephora, or maybe for the brand, I don't know. The next product also says new, so I assume new at Sephora. It is by Fresh. It is the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. This I'm super excited to try. I love Fresh as a brand, and I like face washes, and especially exfoliating. I do love to exfoliate at least 3 times a week, not a month. But I use fairly gentle exfoliators. That's why I feel like I can get away with exfoliating a little bit more often. Definitely not more than 3 times. I mean, every other would be like the most, but I try to do every 2 days. So I don't know, 2 to 3 times a week. It says gently refines and softens. I'm excited to try this. I am pretty sure it will be good. Like I said, I've never tried anything from this brand that I have not liked. So a great product to try. Okay. The next product has the caption exclusive, so I'm assuming that means it's only at Sephora. I do know or think that First Aid Beauty is at, is it at Sephora? I mean, Ulta, I don't know. I don't know why it would say exclusive. I can't remember right now. But this is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I did get a sample from this brand in my Ipsy bag this month. It was a moisturizer, and this is a primer, so at least it's something different. And let's see what it says. Blurs the appearance of pores. And they promise that there will be no breakouts. They don't promise it, but it says, so there will be no breakout. But that's not always true for me. I break out with the slightest product, so we'll see. Very excited to have this and try it and give it and see if I like it. So that seems like a good product. The last product that has a caption by it is and it says it's chosen for my hair color. And as you know, or if you've seen my other unboxing, I received this in my Ipsy glam bag. It is the Benefit Give Me Brow, also in the color 3, which I had mentioned, which I had mentioned in that box that I like more of the 3.5, but I can definitely use this and it would be great. I also just ordered a couple of brow brushes from Ulta because they're on sale today. And so it's obviously September 21st. Hold on, my daughter's calling. So I actually ended up having to go pick up my daughter, so I was not able to finish filming. So I'm gonna do it really fast. I was in the middle of talking about the Benefit Give Me Brow, and basically I'm excited to have this. I'll definitely get used whether I use it now or use it when I travel. I definitely like this product. The next product that I received is from Amika, and it is the Brushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. I am so excited to try this. I love Amika products. They smell amazing. My hair has become more wavy over the years instead of curly, so I'm definitely very excited to have this and to try it, and I'm sure it's going to smell just as good as the other Amika products do. So that is exciting. The next product I have, or the last product I have, I think I already talked about this. Hopefully I did, about the Fresh. I can't remember. The last product that I have in my box this month is from Hourglass, and this is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara in black. I don't really care for this mascara. I've tried it twice, quite a few months ago, and I didn't really like it, and it ended up being thrown in my makeup bag that I keep in my purse, and I still never really use it. I end up throwing it out. I'm excited to kind of try it again to see if I feel any different, but I'm not totally hopeful, being that I didn't like it even before. So we'll see how that goes. I know a lot of people really do like this. So this is everything in my September Sephora Play box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you get this box and what products you received, and I will see you guys in my next video.